An Indiana natural gas company admits a mistake at its plant in Jeffersonville led to dozens of people getting sick from carbon monoxide in their homes. WLKY's Randall Cam joins us live in the studio tonight with a look at exactly what caused this dangerous leak. Randall?
Vicki, it happened on Christmas Eve in homes across southern Indiana. Carbon monoxide detectors blaring, warning a poisonous gas was inside.
In essence, too much propane had entered into our natural gas system.
That's what CenterPoint Energy officials say. It led to dozens of people getting sick. Natural gas customers alerted to carbon monoxide in their homes the day before Christmas. At the time, Bill Elder told us his wife barely made it out in time.
So my daughter come and kick the door in and get her out of here. And she was in bed. If she'd have been there 20 more minutes, she'd have died.
Our deepest sympathies go out to our customers in the community that was impacted on December 24th.
That apology comes after CenterPoint initially blamed its own customers. The company alleged improper appliance venting in homes was responsible for the carbon monoxide alerts.
Being that we had no indications of issues on our system at that time, that is the conclusion that we arrived at. We were committed to doing a complete investigation and determining whether or not we had any abnormal operating conditions, which we've since learned.
The town manager in Clarksville responding to CenterPoint's admission of error in a statement saying the town of Clarksville is encouraged to finally have answers for residents about the December 24th, 2022 carbon monoxide issues in our service area. We would like to commend CenterPoint Energy for working diligently to determine the cause and to prevent it from happening again. The Jeffersonville plant is shut down now. CenterPoint officials say it will stay closed for all of 2023 to prevent a similar occurrence. Live in the studio, Randall Cam, WLKY News.